Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Imagine hitting the trails or the gym, your favorite pump-up playlist flowing directly from your wrist, no phone weighing you down. That's the freedom a Garmin watch offers for music lovers. In 2025, the way we connect our watches to our tunes has really solidified, making it super straightforward. We'll show you the dedicated method that works best for a truly seamless experience. For most users, connecting your Garmin to music in 2025 means leveraging your favorite streaming service. Apps like Spotify, Amazon Music, and Deezer are designed to work seamlessly with your watch. You simply need a premium subscription to download your playlists and podcasts directly to your device. This approach offers the widest selection and the easiest updates for your daily listening. Getting your music onto your Garmin is pretty simple. First, head over to the Garmin Connect IQ store on your phone. Find and download your chosen music streaming app directly to your watch. Once installed, log into your premium streaming account through the watch app, and then you can pick which playlists you want to download. Make sure your watch is connected to Wi-Fi for a smooth, efficient transfer process. What if you don't use streaming services, but have your own collection of MP3s? No problem. You can still transfer those files directly to your Garmin watch using Garmin Express on your computer. Just plug in your watch, open Garmin Express, and drag and drop your music files. You can even create custom playlists right there, ensuring your favorite tracks are always available for your adventures, without any internet connection required. For the best experience, always download your music over Wi-Fi. It's much faster and conserves your watch's battery. Remember to connect your favorite Bluetooth headphones directly to your Garmin for playback, leaving your phone behind. This dedicated approach to music management is the most effective and seamless way to enjoy your tunes on your Garmin watch in 2025, giving you complete freedom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.